Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Publicis Media. So it is hiring for various job vacancies for the below skill sets such as programmatic, paid search, paid social, commerce, tag ad ops, tag reporting, IT development, operations engineering in that AWS and Python, and also project coordinator positions. So for these positions, you should be having 0 to 6 years of experience. So these candidates are eligible. So it is for all the locations mentioned here, such as Mumbai, Pune, Gurgaon, and Bangalore. So interested candidates can send their resumes and along with your preferred location and also notice period if it is there to the provided mail IDs. First one radhika at publicismedia.com and second one mayuri.ingole at publicismedia.com. So I am going to include these mail IDs in the description as well for your reference.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.